Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to detect dark mode as well as light mode based on your system preferences in a Flutter macOS application. So as you can see, this is my application Flutter macOS running, and currently I am using dark mode on my macOS. So if I just change it in my settings, if I change it to light mode, here you can see I'm changing the text as well as I'm changing the background color. If I again change it to dark, here you can see I'm changing the text as well as the background color. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first I have created a Flutter application and I have refactored this stateful widget. So firstly I have created an event channel because we want to stream data as soon as there has been a change inside, there has been a change in the dark mode or light mode, like the system's theme. So, and I have also created one variable just to keep track of whether it is dark mode or light mode. Then I have created a stream subscription, and inside init state I am initializing our subscription. So I am receiving this broadcast stream, and if it is not equal to event, so suppose if we already had a dark mode like dark some variable, suppose dark, inside this particular data variable, and if we are again getting the same value, then we don't need to update it. We only need to update it if it is a different value from what we currently have. That's why I've added this if check, and then we are updating this value. Then also we will have to use the same identifier on the native macOS side as well. And inside dispose we are cancelling our subscription. Inside build method I have just added this check, like if the data is equal to dark, then do colors.black, otherwise do colors.white for our background color. And for text I am displaying whatever we get, like dark or light, and here I am just displaying our text style, and depending on what we have inside this data variable, I am assigning appropriate colors. Now you will have to open the XE workspace which is present inside your macOS folder, so inside Xcode. So I have already opened that, and inside that what you will have to do is again we are creating this event sync called theme channel. Also we are extending this Flutter stream handler. Then I have created a Flutter event sync, and inside our awake from nib method, firstly we are registering our event channel, so passing our event channel as well as setting our event sync. So passing Flutter the binary messenger, and self stream handler is self, which refers to this. Then we have doing like a notification center, so that every time the theme changes we are notified about it. So this is the code for that, and every time the theme changes this particular method gets called. So I have written this particular method. Also, given that we are extending Flutter stream handler, I am overriding two methods, on listen and on cancel, and here we are just initializing our event sync. Once event sync is initialized, then I am calling get appearance. Now you might be thinking the get appearance should get triggered automatically, but for the very first time when you run your app, get appearance does not get triggered from this particular distributed notification center. We have to trigger it manually. That's why I'm calling get appearance from over here. Now on cancel, then we are just making event sync as nil, and if you see get appearance over here, by default dark mode is false, and here we are basically checking for Apple interface style, and if that is equal to dark, that means dark mode is true. And if dark mode is true and event sync is not nil, then we are sending this dark value back to Flutter side, otherwise we are sending it as light. So yeah, that's how you can detect dark mode and light mode in a Flutter macOS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.